Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaway. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you today. Today we are unboxing the FabFitFun mystery box, and one of the items from the mystery box from FabFitFun I will be giving away in this video. Number one rule for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'll put a link in the description box down below. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter this one. So I do have a code for FabFitFun. If you'd like to check them out, it'll save you a little bit off your first box. Kind of helps you out, and it helps me out a little bit as well. I also have some free starter FabFitFun boxes to give away. So just leave me your email address, your first, last name, email address. You can, DM me those if you want to, if you don't feel comfortable leaving it down below. I have about 8 of those to give away, and what FabFitFun will do is, and it's only for people who've never been a subscriber before, so if you've never been a subscriber, FabFitFun will give you a free starter box. It's usually over a $75 value, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. So FabFitFun is a quarterly box, ships out every month for $49. They're full size. They also do in between, which have the edit sales. And when they do any of their sales, edit sales or their regular $49 boxes, and if you sign up for a year, you do get it cheaper, and that's what I did. But they also have a ton of add-ons. Discounted, great, like 90% off, discounted some stuff. And one of the things that you can purchase are their mystery boxes, where it's $29. There's usually about 4. Everything's full size. Everything's always full size with FabFitFun. So 4 full size, and it's usually over $100 value. So I picked up one of the mystery boxes from FabFitFun from their summer sale. So let's find out what's in here, and let's find out what we're giving away. So the first item is from Dermelect. You guys, I'm such a geek. So it says Vacial Spider Vein Treatment. I thought it said vaginal first. I'm like, spider veins on your back? Anyway, I'm such a dork. So it addresses the spider kind of red threads on your face and your legs, not necessarily your other regions, for $38. Has key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, amumu oil, shea butter, aloe vera, sunflower seed, horse chestnut, willow leaf extract, jojoba oil, vitamin K. So it says that this is formulated with an amazing blend of the very best ingredients for beautiful legs. Some of them I just went into. They can produce long-lasting, silky smooth legs. Adjusted pH balance of the formulation makes the hydration cream equally effective for application on the face. I don't really have spider veins, so I'm going to pass this on to one of my friends who does. So I've had good months and bad months with the mystery boxes, and so we'll see where this one kind of ranks. So by Coby is the Epilator for her stainless steel blades, light and portable, battery operated. Retails for $34.99. Washable design, smooth finish, removes hair quickly and easily. Under lips, arms, bikini line, legs, arms, and face. So that might be kind of interesting to try. I do the laser hair removal on my underarms and kind of lip and face area. I'm a Basque girl, Mediterranean. So I've got that issue. So yeah, try it on my legs. from Woosh is the corner brush eye stamper. These have me kind of intrigued. So it's kind of first of its kind award-winning eyeshadow placement tool. The #1 tool for easy eyeshadow placement. This V-shaped eyeshadow brush lets you quickly make your shadow marks and then fill in or smudge for an instant, easy eye look. Does retail for $29. A little bit about it. It says, based on an informal and unscientific poll of all the makeup wearers we know, eyeshadow is the most challenging and often skip step of most routines. Not a skip step in mine. Yes, it's more challenging, but not a skip step. I always do my eyes. What says, well, not anymore. The corner brush eye stamper is the only brush out there with bristles that are pre-shaped like a V to guide on your proper eyeshadow placement. The brush will make the mark, so all you have to do is smudge or smoke it out for the perfect easy eyeshadow. So it's got a flat line here on this end, and then, I don't know if you can see it, kind of there's like a good angle, and there is your V. I think this is pretty cool. By Lauren B. Beauty is their polishing hand scrub. Does retail for $20. And our polishing hand scrub contains a proprietary blend of potent anti-aging powerhouses such as Swiss-derived apple stem cells. They contain peptides boosting cell turnover, thickening the skin, and a fading of age spots and smoothing crepiness. Aloe oil, sunflower seed, and vitamin E. These brighten, smooth, and heal chapping hands while also providing anti-pollution benefits. Moreover, our proprietary amino acid complex strengthens and softens your skin. The results are a fresher, more youthful look for your hands in under a minute. So when I first thought scrub, I thought it was going to be like real. Sorry, I was doing an eyeshadow thing there earlier. I didn't realize I didn't get it all off. When I thought scrub, I thought it was going to like kind of, you know, like have micro beads or anything to really scuff, you know, do a deep clean scrub. This sounds right up my alley, especially right now when everybody's doing a ton of hand washing and everything else, and my hands are taking its toll just like everybody else's, so I'm excited about this one. So the total of this box was $121. Not bad for your $29 that you spent if you are gonna use it all. I mean, definitely gonna use this, so this was $20. I'm gonna try out that Epicare and, you know, kind of see how that goes. Give this one to a friend, and this is what we're giving away, this eyeshadow stamper brush. That has the V, perfect for the outer corner. That's why I didn't open it, because I'm going to be giving that one away in today's video. So my giveaways are really simple, really easy. All you need to do is be a subscriber, watch this video in its entirety, like this video. I do all of my giveaways on Google Forms, so I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. Just go fill it out. It's super secure. I'm the only one that has access to it. Make sure to put your YouTube name on it, so that way I can check to say, hey, yes, they are subscribed. Let's do this one for 3 weeks. So let's have this giveaway go through June 26th. On June 27th, I'll go ahead and pick the winner. I do a random number generator. When you are filling out that form, make sure to only fill it out once. That way it is fair for everybody. When I do pick the winner, I will pin to the comments the person's first name and first initial of their last name. I will then go ahead and mail out your little prize to you. YouTube is no way to affiliate with this giveaway. I purchased this on my own to give back to you, kind of be a little ray of sunshine in kind of these times that we are living in. This giveaway is open internationally. I'm not responsible for any duties, fees, taxes, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beauty, AMA, and the letter B. And also share this video. I'm really trying to get my watch time minutes up so I can get it monetized, so I can do more and more giveaways for you guys. I've got to get this monetized, you guys. I've got to. And then when this channel hits 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a big giveaway for that as well. So I hope that you guys are having a beautiful rest of your day. Let me know how you're doing in the comments down below. I love reading your comments. Please stay safe out there. Good luck in the giveaway, and I will see you soon. Bye.